Are you really just a human? Or is there something divine encoded deep within your very cells? If you have ever wondered why ancient texts say, Aham Brahmasmi, I am the creator, but you don't feel that power in everyday life, this video will change the way you see yourself forever. Hi everyone, today we are diving deep into the ancient truth of Aham Brahmasmi and uncovering why most of us don't experience our divine potential in reality, and more importantly, how to awaken it. The Vedas and Upanishads tell us that the soul is a replica of the Creator. That means we already carry all divine qualities within us. Yes, you and the Source share the same energetic blueprint. Every human soul carries what we can call the divine genome, a sacred code embedded in the subatomic levels of our body. This is why certain high-frequency healing methods like tachyon energy sessions trigger such powerful transformations. They help reconnect your cells to that original source code. But here is the twist. Although we have the divine genome, it doesn't function fully on Earth due to the limited conditioned energy environment we are born into. Instead, it gets suppressed beneath the carbon-based human genome. The miracle? The divine genome is still there, surrounding our human DNA in the form of light. And when someone recognizes their divinity with a strong intention and affirmations, a magical shift begins. That light starts to imprint on the damaged human DNA, repairing it. Slowly, divine health, happiness, and even soul family connections begin to manifest. Your reality changes not by luck, but by will and alignment. The stronger your will, the faster your transformation. Do you have that willpower? Maintain your willpower all the time. Remember, never give up. Keep affirming till you manifest it. But healing is not instant for everyone. If you have carried trauma, poverty, or illness through past lives, your divine genome may take longer to activate. These disrupted energy patterns are stored in your genes. So, yes, manifesting abundance or perfect health may take persistence and deep inner work. Are you willing to keep affirming even when results are slow? Never lose trust on yourself and your affirmations. As you walk this path, You begin releasing old belief systems, traumas, and limiting social conditioning. With every layer you shed, your higher self begins to descend into your physical body. This is the process of ascension, and it's not just a spiritual theory, it's a biological evolution. The divine genome starts replacing the human genome. Your light frequency rises. Your consciousness expands. You begin to live as a multi-dimensional being in a physical body. Think of Mahavatar Babaji, Saint Germain, Jwalakul, Kutumi. They achieved this, and now the same potential lies within you. The ultimate secret? There is a crystalline light body technology within you. Once the immortality gene in your divine genome is activated, you won't just ascend in spirit, you will carry your physical body into the light realms. That is full body ascension. Ascension with body. When divine genome and physical DNA become one, your reality becomes limitless. You don't just connect with the divine, you become the divine in form. So, ask yourself, are you living from the divine truth of Aham Brahmasmi? Are you working for your ascension and that of Mother Earth? And you are not here to seek the Master. You are here to reveal the Master within you. If you found this message powerful, like, share, and subscribe. It's time we awaken together. Aham Brahmasmi. You are that. All that is. Ascension with body. Victory of the light. Thank you.